Let's take a look at how EasyClean gets the oven looking new again without the use of harsh chemicals, very little electricity, and in no time at all. EasyClean is made possible due to hydrophilic properties within our patented EasyClean liner. Essentially, they let water get underneath the baked-on foods, allowing them to be easily wiped away. So here is the simple 3-step process. Step 1. First, remove the larger debris. Notice how easily lots of the mess already lifts off. This is because of our special liner. Then, spray the oven cavity with water. Don't be shy, use a generous amount of water. Step 2. Close the oven door, select the EasyClean setting, and press start. Step 3. Immediately once the 10-minute cycle is complete, you can open the oven door, grab a non-scratch scrub sponge, and wipe away the residue. No need to worry about getting burnt. This eco-friendly cycle only gets to about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's it. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, and life's good with LG.